Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and as much as I love trying out fun new colors on my nails, I also really like to have beautiful neutral shades that will go with any outfit. And for me lately, I have really been loving this OPI Infinite Shine 2 nail lacquer in the shade Tickle My Francie. For one thing, I think the reference to France in the name of this shade is really appropriate because, as most of us know, France is known for its chic fashion. I think this nail lacquer shade really harmonizes with that because this shade is so beautiful and understated without trying too hard. I can apply 2 coats of this nail polish with no base coat and no top coat, and it comes out looking great. The color is opaque, even, smooth looking with a sleek shine. This OPI nail lacquer has really helped me to feel just that little bit more put together with just a little more effort. And that's my point of view.